Hey everybody, today I want to introduce you to this wireless gaming headset from EasySMX. What's really great about these is that they're perfect to use for video gaming and it really submerges you into the gaming experience. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what this looks like. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it does come with a couple of little things here. It does come with a USB charging cable, so since this is wireless, it does need to be charged after some time. And then additionally, it does also come with this auxiliary cable as well. And as you guys can see, it does come with this little USB right here. And what you're going to use this for is, this is a USB transmitter. And so you'll actually plug this into your gaming device, whether it's your PS3, PS4, your computer, whatever you're going to be gaming on. You'll plug this in and this will immediately recognize and become active. And so what's really cool about this is that it's got a couple different features. So it does have an RGB little button here on the side. So when you're actually gaming, it does light up here in different colors, which kind of puts you in a nice little, gives you a nice little ambiance while you're playing. Additionally, these are adjustable, so you can change the adjustability depending on the size of your head. And then it does have this little microphone here as well, so you can actually talk to fellow gamers. And then on this side, you'll see that it's got a little volume control knob. So if you need to turn it up, turn down, and then it does have a power button, mode button, and then as well as a little speaker button here as well. And just to show you what these look like when they're on, what's really great is that they are noise canceling. They're very, very comfortable. Has really nice little earpieces here. And when I'm ready to start gaming and I want to talk to people, I can go ahead and pull my microphone down right here and we're good to go. One thing I do want to mention that is if you are using this with a Windows device, what you need to do in order to adjust the volume is that you won't be able to do it on the actual computer itself. You'll want to adjust the volume here on the actual headset. Additionally, if you plan to use this with an Xbox device, what you're going to need to do is actually connect it with the auxiliary cable here. So for Xbox, you won't be able to do it wirelessly. You'll just have to use the cable. What's also really nice about these is that it's got a little mode button here, and so you can actually toggle between two different modes, whether it's for gaming or for music. And what's also really nice is that this will last up to 16 hours before you have to charge this again. So really high quality product here, and I really enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed this review.
Hi everyone, I want to share with you today this really nice gaming headset that I got recently. So this is a really cool gaming headset. It's really sleek, as you can see. It's a nice matte black, and when you turn it on, it lights up different colors on the side. It slowly moves through the rainbow, which is really cool, as you can see. That's really interesting. I love that. It's fully adjustable as well. So it's really easy to fit to your head, and it's got really nice, soft, squishy pads that go over your ears, so it's really comfortable. So the volume actually is over here on this side, and it's actually a part of the design, which I just think is really cool. So you can turn that up and down. The microphone that is attached to it, which is right here, comes down, but also really goes up really nice. So if you don't want it, it's really out of the way. But if you also want to mute it, it's got a mute button right here next to the power button. So that's all of the features that it's got on the headphones itself. A couple of things that it comes with. It is plugged in right now for its power purposes, so this is the power cord that I have it plugged in. But then I also have a USB stick that it comes with attached to my computer here, and that's how it is linked with my computer. It's wireless through the USB. It was really easy. I literally just plugged it in and selected the device from my settings. That's it. There was nothing else I had to do. Nice and quick. One more thing that it comes with, which works for me, is I like to play Switch, and it came with a cord that would allow it to hook up with a Switch. So that was really exciting for me. But I also have an Xbox, so you can hook it up to an Xbox, you can hook it up to a PlayStation, obviously a PC, or anything like that. So it just comes with a lot of options. So let's go ahead and hear how the microphone sounds as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and pull my microphone down, and we're going to go ahead and start recording. So this is how the microphone sounds. Nice and crisp, nice and clear. There's no lag when you're speaking into it with the wireless function, which is really nice. I did double check that because you don't want to be in the middle of a game and have it be lagging and then your teammates are slow. You wouldn't want that to the reaction time, obviously. So yeah, this is what the microphone sounds like. It's pretty nice. And then the sound quality in the headphones itself is really cool. It's like a full-on surround sound effect. So you feel like you're like really immersed. So I really like that. And it's not completely noise canceling, but it's really close. Like I can barely hear anything outside of these headphones. So that's another perk as well, that it's really immersive in that sense. I really like it. And like I said, when you don't need the microphone, you just stick it up here. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a new gaming headset, something that's really sleek and cool, this black is just really interesting. But I just love the look of it with the colors on the side. It's got a really nice microphone. It has a lot of things that you could hook it up to, wireless feature, wired features as well. It's got a long battery life to it, so you can be playing for like 16 hours. Not that you should, but who am I to judge? Go right ahead. And yeah, I mean, overall, sounds great, microphone and headphones, and hooks up easily. So I hope that you found my review helpful, and thank you for watching.